I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so setup doesn't stall. Sign in with your Apple ID and enable iCloud, then update your device. Next, turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services because the Find My network needs radios and permissions to locate your item. Make sure the accessory or item has at least a 20% charge and stays within a few meters during pairing. Once done, open the Find My app and choose Add Item or Add Accessory to start the pairing flow immediately. You now focus on the core setup. Choose Add Item in Find My and follow the on-screen pairing prompts, accept permissions, name the item, and set its category so searches are faster. Next, enable Notify when found to get alerts if the item appears on the network, and decide whether to share its location with family or friends. Make sure two-factor authentication is active on your Apple ID to secure tracking. Once configured, test by playing a sound and confirming the location updates in the app. Finish by verifying the item appears under items with a recent timestamp and map pin. If you'll rely on others, enable Lost Mode and notify when found so the network can help return it. If the item fails to appear or shows offline, first check basic fixes. Reboot your device, toggle location and Bluetooth, and ensure the accessory has power. If problems persist, reset the accessory, remove it from Find My, then repair within about 1 meter to ensure a clean connection and updated permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.